When the perfect planetary alignment presents itself at dusk, you might just find yourself looking at the most beautiful house on the market in Brentwood Park. Welcome to the channel. This is where I review and critique luxury properties. I tell you 3 things I like about it, 3 things I don't like about it. And in today's episode, we're going to review 12846 Highwood Street in Brentwood, 5 bedrooms, 9 baths, 13,000 square foot of home, and about 22,000 square foot of lot. Now, before I tell you 3 things I like about this property, you should know that the content of this video is purely my personal opinion. If you have questions about the property, this is the information of the listing agent. Make sure to contact them, okay? Should we get started, Harry?
Let's do it, Arvin. Let's start with telling me 3 things you love about this property.
Number 3, H-shaped house. This is small h, small letter H?
Lowercase h.
Lowercase
if you want to be
h.
technical.
Okay. Lowercase H-shaped house. And it's absolutely brilliant. And the reason I really like it, because the lower part, or the U shape of the lower capital H, well, you know what I mean. It's very inviting. It creates an approach. Otherwise, this house would have been sat at the street with no frontage. But this way, you invite the people in. You create an artificial approach, which is absolutely brilliant. I absolutely love it. It also has great lot utilization. You still have a great backyard. It's amazing. Number 2, finishes. This is bespoke, done right, but it's also so well balanced and married with the decor and the staging, and it doesn't draw too much attention to itself, but it's absolutely quiet luxury, and it's just done so right. I just can't get over how beautiful this house is. Now, the number 1 thing I love about this house, it's its location. You're like, there's a lot of different studies between the philosophers if Brentwood Park North is better, South is better. I will leave that for you to decide, but what I want to emphasize on is vertical and the horizontal streets. I think that's way more important than anything else, because look, most people pay attention to the vertical streets. The problem with those streets are most of them are east-west facing, right? The way the sun hits your house, you will never be able to change that. If you can find a house on the south side of one of these horizontal streets, Highwood being one of them, is absolutely beautiful and you should jump on it. And this property is just that. It's south facing on the south side of the street. It's beautiful, brilliant. I absolutely love it and I think it's great. Now, 3 things I don't like about this property.
Arvin, before you get into that, can you tell me what ZipSmart has to say about this property?
You wish you didn't ask that question, Harry.
Uh-oh.
This is not good. Look, according to ZipSmart.ai, let's take a quick look at the monthly and yearly trends. You see both of these thumbs? It's thumbs down. That's not good, okay? Look at the monthly trend. Look at these 2 metrics. 87% more new listings this month than last month. And this is fall. This should not happen this time of the year. It's really, really bad. And again, 50% more price cuts than last month. And then when you jump on the yearly trend, also all red, look, there's 25% less demand than last year and 21% more supply. You remember everyone saying there's no supply? Well, there's 21% more supply than last year, so it's building up. And at this time of the year, if this supply piles up, it's just gonna be really bad. Now, what I love about version 3 of ZipSmart.ai, you see all these metrics. I'm kind of a real estate geek if you haven't noticed, so I love all these analysis. But in version 3, we literally take all this stuff, chew it for you, give it back to you in such a digestible way. Not just we're gonna put it in your mouth, we're gonna reach out and put it in your stomach actually, okay? So
we gotta chew.
Yeah, you don't even have to chew or swallow. We do the swallowing. That did not sound good. We're not gonna swallow anything. Anyways, what I'm trying to say is that we're gonna raise the prices. And if you want to be grandfathered in, you might want to sign up now. Okay, 3 things I don't like about this property. Number 3, 5 bedrooms. Are you serious? 38 million. It's even more than 38. $39,875 and 5 bedrooms. Come on. It's just way too high. Number 2 is more of a nuance.
There you go.
More of a nuance, because you wouldn't know this, right? It's a keyhole shaped lot. You're like, Arvin, did you just make that up? No, you just don't know this because you don't follow my channel. I don't know what's wrong with you. You decided not to follow. You just come and sneak and take a look at a video like a thief. Sign up, subscribe, god damn it. I'm at 5,000 subscribers.
What are y'all waiting for? Come on.
Is this not enough? What do you want from me? Okay, keyhole shaped lots. What's the negative with them? You have the backyards of other properties looking into your backyard at a direct angle. That's a negative. Now this property has mitigated that, has amazing hedges and everything, but still, all things equal, you don't want a keyhole shaped lot. The number one thing I don't like about this property is the obvious one. It's the price. For a property of this caliber that I will put my neck on the line and tell you guys this is as good as it gets in Brentwood, is just priced so high. And it would have sold if it wasn't priced so high. So if you want to know how much I will pay for it, you can contact me directly. I would love to sit down with you, tell you exactly how much I think a price strategy would be to get this house. And if you like this video, you probably like this video and this video. And remember, visit ZipSmart if you want to have an AI tool that will help you make you a decision if it's a good time to buy or if you should wait. Is available to you, never been available before. And make sure you subscribe, okay? Love you guys. I'll see you in the next one.